Today we will discuss substitution method from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Substitution method. So as the word says, substitution. We will substitute the value of one variable from one equation in other equation. Okay. See, for example, if you take pair of linear equation in two variables, that is x plus y is equals to 7 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 11. Okay. So we will take these equations as equation 1 and 2. So from these two equations, first we will see which equation is easy or simple for us to solve. So we can see equation 1 is easy, right? So from equation 1 we will solve for x or y. Okay. So if you solve for x, you will get x is equals to 7 minus y. You will just send this plus y to RHS, it becomes minus y. Okay. So if you want to solve for y, it will be y is equals to 7 minus x. Okay. When you solve for x and y, okay, so you will take these equations as equation 3. Clear till now? You will substitute x or y in equation 2. After substituting x or y in this equation 2, you will get the value of the other variable. Okay. After getting the value, you will substitute in either of these equations, that is x or y, whichever you take. Then you will get the values for x and y. Okay. So after getting the values for x and y, you will substitute in these two equations for verification. Okay. We will check whether the values of x and y is satisfying these two equations on both the sides. So we will be solving few example problems so that it will be clear and easy for you to understand. Solve the given pair of equations using substitution method. Okay. So they have given us the equations. X plus y is equals to 14. X minus y is equals to 4. So we will take this equation as 1 and 2. Okay. So equation 2 looks easier to solve, right? So from equation 2 we will find out the value of x. From equation 2, x is equals to 4. We will send this minus y to RHS, that is plus y. 4 plus y. Okay. So we have got x is equals to 4 plus y. We will substitute x in equation 1, in the other equation. Okay, so we have taken this equation to find out the value of x, right? So we will substitute the value of x in the first equation, in the other equation. X plus y is equals to 14. What is the value of x? That is 4 plus y is equals to 14. Yes. Now from here you will get 4 plus 2y is equals to 14. This will be 2y is equals to, if you send 4 to RHS, that will be 14 minus 4. 2y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. You will get y is equals to 5. Okay. So when you get y is equals to 5, we will substitute this y is equals to 5 in the second equation, or you can even substitute in this equation which says x is equals to 4 plus y. Okay, so let us take this equation as 3. so that you can easily do it. So substitute y is equals to 5 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? X is equals to 4 plus y. Okay. So we know that y is equals to 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So then what is the value of x? X is equals to 9. We have got the values for x and y. Now we will see if these satisfies the given pair of linear equations. Okay, we will substitute in these two equations and see if they are the right values. Okay, if the equation satisfies on the both the sides. X plus y is equals to 14. So what is the value of x? That is 9 plus the value of y is 5, which is 14. So 14 is equals to 14, right? So the equation verifies. So the value of x and y satisfies this equation on both the sides, right? 14 is equals to 14. We will see for the next equation. That is x minus y is equals to 4. What is x? X is 9 minus y is 5, which is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4 is equals to 4. Okay. So even for this equation, the values satisfies, right? So therefore verified. Now we will solve the next equations. So 2x plus 4y is equals to 16 is our first equation. 3x minus 8y is equals to minus 18 is our second equation. See, from the first equation, if you see this equation, 2x plus 4y is equals to 16, right? So we can take 2 common, correct? If you take 2 common, the equation changes to x plus 2y is equals to 16. 2 ones and 2 8s are 16. So the equation changes to x plus 2y is equals to 8. Okay. So we have just simplified the given equation so that it will be easy for us to solve the problem. Okay. Now if you see, first equation looks as simple to solve, right, than the second equation. So from the first equation, we will find the value of x and simplify it. Okay, from equation 1, x plus 2y is equals to 8. You can take x is equals to 8 minus 2y. I am just sending plus 2y to RHS. It will be minus 2y. Okay. Now we have got x is equals to 8 minus 2y. We will take this equation as 3. Now we have got x value, that is 8 minus 2y. Right? Now we will substitute this value in the other equation, which is equation 2. Substitute value of x in equation 2. Okay. So what is equation 2? 3x minus 8y is equals to minus 18. The value of x is 3 into 8 minus 2y minus 8y is equals to minus 18. So 3 8s is 24. 24 minus 6y minus 8y is equals to minus 18. So this is 24 minus 14y is equals to minus 18. So we will send minus 14 to RHS and we will get minus 18 to LHS. Okay. So this becomes 24 plus 18 is equals to 14y. 42 is equals to 14y. So y is equals to 42 divided by 14. 4 ones and 4 threes are. So what is the value of y? Y is equals to 3. Okay. We have got the value of y. Now when we have got the value of y, we will substitute in the equation 3. Okay. That is, substitute y is equals to 3 in equation 3. X is equals to 8 minus 2y. X is equal to 8 minus 2 of 3. So this is 8 minus 2 3s is 6, right? 8 minus 6 is 2. So you will get x is equals to 2. Now we have got the value of x and y. Right? Now we will substitute the values of x and y in our main equations 1 and 2 and see if it is satisfying the equation on both the sides. So this is our verification. Now let us substitute the value of x and y. So 2x is equals to 2, right? 2 plus 2 of 3 is equals to 8. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. This is 8 is equals to 8, right? So the values of x and y satisfies this equation on both the sides. Okay. See, when you substitute x equals to 2 and 3 in this equation, okay, 2x plus 4y is equals to 16. We will see. This will be 2x plus 4y is equals to 16. So 2 of 2 plus 4 into 3 is equals to 16. 4 plus 12 is equals to 16. 16 equals to 16. This also satisfies, right? So you can put x value and y value in any of the equations. Okay. Now let us see for the second equation. What is x value? X value is 2. 3 into 2 minus 8 into 3 is equals to minus 18. This is 6 minus 24 is equals to minus 18. 6 plus 6 minus 24 is minus 18, which is equals to minus 18. Okay. So the second equation also satisfies on both the sides. Now let us solve a word problem for the substitution method. Mary told her daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Find the present age of Mary and her daughter. If we take this example, your present age, let us assume your present age be 15. 7 years ago, how will you calculate your age 7 years ago? If we minus 7 from our present age, it will be your age, right? So 15 minus 7, which is 8. 3 years from now, we can take it as 3 years after. So how will you calculate this 3 years after? We'll take 15 plus 3, right? Which is 18 years, right? So in the same way, we will be solving this word problem, okay? Now let us solve this problem. So now let us assume, let present age of Mary be x years and present age of daughter be y years. Okay. So we have two scenarios, right? One is 7 years ago and the next one is 3 years from now, right? So we'll take first scenario, which is 7 years ago. 7 years ago. See, 7 years ago, what will be the Mary's age? Mary's age will be her present age minus 7, right? Present age minus 7. Okay. So in the same way, daughter's age will be y is her present age minus 7 is 7 years ago. Okay. Who is I here? I is Mary. Okay. U is daughter. Okay, so Mary was telling I is Mary, right? X minus 7 is equals to, see, we are taking 7 years ago scenario. So you should not take X is equals to, you need to take 7 years ago scenario, which is X minus 7. Okay, clear? So Mary says I was X minus 7 is equal to 7 times 7 into as old as you were then. So daughter was y minus 7. Y minus 7. Okay, clear? So if we simplify this, x minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49, which is x, if I get plus 7y to LHS and send minus 7 to RHS. Okay. This will be x minus 7y is equals to minus 49 plus 7. So which is x minus 7y is equals to minus 42. Okay. So this is our equation number 1. So what was our first equation? X minus 7y is equals to minus 42 was our first equation. Mary says 3 years from now. 3 years from now means we can take 3 years after. Okay, 3 years after. After 3 years, what will be the Mary's age? What is the present age of Mary? It is x plus 3. Right? See, after 3 years, the present age of Mary plus 3 years. Right? In the same way, daughter's age is y plus 3. 3 years from now, I shall be, who is I here? I is Mary. Right? I is Mary and you is daughter. Okay, U is daughter. So Mary says, I shall be, I is x plus 3. Okay, so we are talking 3 years after scenario, right? 3 years from now. So we will be taking Mary's age as x plus 3 and daughter's age as y plus 3. So I shall be, which is Mary, that is Mary's age is x plus 3 is equals to 3 times as old as you will be. 3 times of daughter's age, which is y plus 3. Okay. Now let us simplify this. X plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 9. So when you get plus 3y to LHS, this becomes minus 3y. And when you send 3 to RHS, it becomes minus 3. Okay. So the equation changes to x minus 3y is equals to 6. Okay. So this is our equation number 2. So since we have got equation 1 and 2, we will solve these two equations using substitution method and find the values of x and y. Okay. So we have got these two equations, right? Equation 1 and equation 2. So from these two equations, so which equation do you think is simple? That is equation 2, right? So we will take this equation and find the value of x. From equation 2, that is x minus 3y is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 plus 3y. I'm just sending minus 3y to RHS, which becomes plus 3y. Okay. We will take this equation as 3. So, we will substitute equation 3 in the other equation, which is equation 1, because we have already used this equation 2. We will substitute equation 3 in this equation 1. In equation 1 and find the value of y. Okay. So, which is, what is equation 1? X minus 7y is equals to minus 42. So, x minus, what is the value of x, which is 6 plus 3y minus 7y is equals to minus 42, which is 6 minus 4y is equals to minus 42. Minus 4y is equals to minus 42. If I get plus 6 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 6. So this will be minus 4y is equals to minus 48. So from here we will find the value of y, which is minus 48 divided by 4 minus 4, which is 12. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 12. Okay. Now we have got the value of y. We will substitute this in equation 3 or equation 2, any of the equations. Okay. Substitute value of y in equation 3. Okay. So that you will get the x value, which is x is equals to 6 plus 3y. X is equals to 6 plus 3 into 12. So, which is x is equals to 6 plus 3 into 12 is 36, which is x is equals to 42. Okay. So, what is the value of x? Value of x is 42. In a next video, we will discuss on elimination method for the pair of linear equations.